my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal internet lecturer and company. Today I am going to talk about the hearsay rule of evidence. The hearsay rule is an exceptional or important aspect of Indian Evidence Act. The hearsay rule generally prohibited the admission of a statement made by a person who are not present in court and cannot be cross-examined. However, there are several recognized exceptions to this rule and hearsay evidence may be admitted. Here are some of the key exceptions into the hearsay rule under this evidence. Statement made by a person who is dead or cannot be found under section 32(1) of the Indian Evidence Act. A statement made by a person who is dead or whose whereabouts are unknown can be admitted if they are related to the cause of death as to any of the circumstances of the transaction which result to person death. A statement in course of business. Section 32(1)(a) allows that the admission of a statement made by a person in the ordinary course of business such as a statement are admissible if there is made contemporarily with the transaction in question and they are ordinary in the course of business. A statement against interest. Section 31(b) permitted the admission of the statement against the interest of the person making him if they are relevant to matters in issue. For example, if person make a statement admitting guilty and liability, it may be admissible even if it is hearsay. A statement in public document or registry. Under section 35 of Indian Evidence Act, a statement contained in a public document or registry such as a birth or marriage certification or considered exception to the hearsay and can be admitted as evidence. Thank you. For any other doubt, let us know through comment.